Good morning, students. Today's topic is operation on the real numbers. So first heading is addition and subtraction. How we will add and subtract the real numbers in the mathematics. So this is the an example: 2 under root 2 plus 3 under root 2. So suppose that in the addition 2 under root 2 plus 3 under root 2. So if you have to add this, you have to see that the real numbers are same or not. When it is same, so then you will add only the constant term, multiple. 3 plus 2, it means it is 5 under root 2. One more example: suppose we will take 2 under root 6 plus 3 under root 6. The same here, it will be 3 plus 2, 5 under root 6. Suppose that we have taken 2 under root 3 plus only under root 3, then how we will add this? So in this case, see that here it is under root 3 and here it is under root 3, both are same, but here no multiples are there. So if no multiples, we can consider it 1. So we can consider 1, so it can be 2 plus 1, it will be 3 under root 3. As usual, in the addition we will do also in the case of the subtraction. 5 under root 6 minus 2 under root 6, so both are same, so we will subtract 5 minus 2, it is 3 under root 6. Take one more example: 2 under root 5 minus under root 5. So it is not written 1 under root 5. It is not written, it is equal to always under root 5. We will not write in this way. 1 will be not written in the form of multiple, we will not write. Then third one is the multiplication. So multiplication, see that under root 2 both are same, so in the multiplication they are multiplied. Under root 2, it is under root 4, and it will be again 2. So this is the rule: if the same real numbers are multiplied with the under root quantity, so their square root will be terminated, so it will be equal to root 2, only 2. Take one more example: root 2 into under root 3 now. So it is just multiplied, 3 2s are 6. Now take one more example: 2 under root 5 into 2 root 2. So then it will be the constant term, multiples term will be multiplied first, then 2 2s are 4, and then this will be multiplied, root quantity, so it will be 5 2s are 10. Suppose it is 6 root 2 into 3 root 4, then how? 6 3s are 18 and 4 2s are 8. So this is the multiplication.